Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best compact hand blenders, chosen for their power, build quality, portability, and overall value. We know the market is flooded with cheap plastic junk that dies after 3 smoothies, so we filtered through the noise to find the tools that actually belong on your counter. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Braun MQ5025 Hand Blender. We're starting with the Braun MQ5025 Multi-Quick Vario because it's a masterclass in precision. It packs a 400-watt German-engineered motor that's balanced enough to handle tough root vegetables without vibrating your arm off. The standout feature is the Vario speed dial. You get 21 distinct speeds, plus a turbo boost, all adjustable with one thumb while you're blending. It uses power bell technology, a unique bell-shaped shaft and stainless steel blades that draw food inward for a smoother blend. The design is all about minimizing mess, and the splash control tech actually delivers, keeping your soup in the pot instead of on your shirt. It uses the Easy Click system, so switching to the whisk or chopper is just one button press away. It's a high-end pick that feels professional without the industrial price tag. If you want a tool that purees silk-smooth sauces and doesn't struggle with frozen fruit, this is a smart, reliable choice. It's built to last and handles daily productivity in the kitchen without any drama. Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender. Next up is the Vitamix 5-Speed. If you know the brand, you know they don't do budget, and this professional-grade tool is no exception. It features a massive 625-watt motor, making it one of the most powerful sticks we've seen. It has 5 speeds and a 4-pronged stainless steel blade that creates a serious vortex. We noticed it handles frozen ingredients and thick smoothies almost as well as their full-sized machines, which is impressive for a handheld device. The build quality is substantial and heavy-duty. It feels like a solid piece of equipment, not a plastic toy. It has a unique bell guard that protects your expensive pots and pans from scratches, which is a nice touch for anyone with high-end cookware. The 5-foot cord gives you plenty of room to move around. It comes with a 3-year warranty, which is better than most competitors. It's definitely a premium investment, but if you're blending every single day, the raw power and durability make it worth the cost. KitchenAid Go Cordless Hand Blender. Now we're looking at the KitchenAid Go Cordless. This is the ultimate choice if you're tired of fighting with tangled cords or simply don't have enough outlets near your stove. It runs on a removable 12-volt max battery that provides up to 30 minutes of continuous runtime. That's more than enough for several batches of soup or a week's worth of protein shakes. The best part? The battery is interchangeable with other tools in the KitchenAid Go line. The 7-inch blending arm is removable and features a 4-point stainless steel blade. It also includes a patented pan guard to keep your non-stick surfaces safe. While it's battery-powered, it doesn't feel weak. It purees vegetables smoothly and handles light ice crushing with ease. It's a mid-range pick in terms of value, but the portability is a total game-changer for van life or just keeping a clean, cord-free countertop. If you value freedom of movement and high build quality, this is a beast. Cuisinart CSB-179 Smart Stick. The Cuisinart CSB-179 is a versatile workhorse for those who want a full kit. It uses a 300-watt DC motor designed to be powerful but relatively quiet. The design features a variable speed slide control on top, letting you jump from low to high speed without stopping the motor. It has an 8-inch stainless steel shaft that's long enough to reach deep into large stock pots or pitchers. It's a mid-range pick that feels sturdy and well-engineered. Safety-wise, it has a lock-unlock button you have to engage to start. It's a bit awkward at first, but it prevents accidental kitchen disasters. You get a 3-cup chopper grinder attachment and a chef's whisk included in the box. The chopper is surprisingly effective for small prep jobs like onions or herbs, saving you from pulling out the full-sized food processor. The Comfort Grip handle makes it easy to hold for longer sessions. If you want a reliable, corded blender with all the necessary accessories, this is a solid middle ground option.
Hamilton Beach 4-in-1 Hand Blender. Finally, we have the Hamilton Beach 4-in-1. This is the best budget-friendly option on our list for the occasional cook. It's not trying to compete with the 600-watt monsters, but with 225 watts of peak power, it handles daily tasks like smoothies and pureed soups just fine. It has a simple 2-speed design, high for power and low for more delicate mixing. The stainless steel blending wand is detachable and, along with the other attachments, is completely dishwasher safe. The value here is hard to beat because you get a whisk and a 3-cup chopper bowl included for a very low entry price. It's a great tool for someone who wants to try an immersion blender without a huge financial commitment. It's lightweight and easy to store, making it perfect for smaller apartments or dorms. While the whisk attachment can feel a bit delicate, the main blending stick is reliable and easy to use. It's a smart pick for anyone who needs a multifunctional tool without any unnecessary flashy features. And that wraps up the top 5 best compact hand blenders. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. For more details and the latest info on any of these blenders, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.